Hi, this is John on behalf of Expert Village. In this video clip, we'll be planing end grain. Now, if you have a project or component of your project where you have end grain that needs to be planed, the block plane is probably the best tool to use for this. Now, if I were just to come in here with my block plane and just start planing, I would blow out this end of my project and it would just chip off and splinter and it'd look real bad. What we're going to do is we're going to use our block plane and we're going to plane this way about till we reach the halfway point, and then we're going to come around to the other side and plane the other way. This is going to ensure that we don't blow out the end of our project. Now, planing end grain can be a bit more time consuming and a bit more aggravating, but if you take your time, you'll get a real nice end result.